Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a today today discuss here a whole wizard command. Okay guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 32 is discussed here, and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, whole wizard is very 3D command of SolidWorks, and this is a very useful and helpful for create a new design. And this is a whole wizard a very important useful create a new design in SolidWorks. Okay, one by one point is discussed here. And at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and a 3D model is designed here. You can see here easily. At first already a 3D body is designed here, and this body use a help of a whole wizard. Okay, all 3D commands is activated, and you can see here easily. And this command is a whole wizard, and this command is a today discuss here all points is clearly. Okay, click this command whole wizard is click here. And guys, this point is very important. All is a whole type. First is a Counterbore, and second is a Countersink, third is a whole. Okay, this three part is a discuss here today this lecture. And next is a state tab, second is a stapler tab, and third is a legacy tab whole. Okay, and this last point is a Counterbore slot, and this is a Countersink slot, and this is a slot. All point is first three and second three and third three lecture is discussed here, and all point is clear. Okay, first is a first three is this lecture is a first three is discussed here, and clearly and deeply one by one. Okay, first is a discuss here a Counterbore, and second is a Countersink, and this is a whole. Okay guys, first point is a Counterbore is discussed here, and this point is very important. This all command is very important command, and all is a okay, this is a standard means ISO, and all is you can see here one by one. But ISO standard is select here, and type is a all full. You can see here easily hex bolt grade C ISO 4016, and helix hex screw grade AB ISO 4017, and all point you can see here. But first point is a okay, this is a this first point is click here. And size is a okay, whole specifications is this size is you can see here all size is draw, and this is a 8 select here. Fit is normal and loose. Okay, all is perfect through all through bend. Okay, this is a through all through. Okay, bend is correct, blind is correct, and all point is clear. Okay, this point is select here, and this is a select a position. Okay, this is a position is select here, and 3D sketch select, and this is a select here. Okay, click this point. Okay, this is a correct, this point is also correct. Okay, right click and select. Okay, this is a click. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, and also edit this. Okay, and size is also increase, and this is a 12 is correct. Okay, this is a okay, size is increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and this face is a another color is select here. This is a and color is a right click clear, and this is the face is select here, and this face and color is a this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a nice. Okay, looking perfect. Okay, whole wizard is another, it is a countersink. Click here, and also a standard is ISO, and this is a all is a CTSK flat ISO 70461. Click here, and all is a perfect. Size is increase, and okay, M2 is correct. Okay, blind is okay, perfect. And select a position, 3D sketch. This position is click here. Okay, this is a size is very small. Okay, size is very small. Click OK, but this is a very small. Okay, this is a edit feature, and edit, and the size is also M8. M8 is a better. M10 is also correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. This is a delete here, and okay, this point is a delete. Okay, okay, all is delete, but no problem, all wizard is correct. And okay, this is a position is 3D sketch, and this is a this and this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay guys, both this and this is a different. Okay, looking nice here, both is different. Okay, and next is a hole. Last point is a hole. Hole is a standard is ISO. This is a dual holes. Drill size is also size is a increase. Okay, diameter is a more. Okay, this is a 7.8 diameter, and all is perfect. Position is select, and this is a 3D sketch, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, and click yes. Okay, this is a and size is very small, and this edit feature, and okay, size is more than this is a correct. 14.5 is correct. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. Guys, three first is a counterbore, and second is countersink, and third is hole. One by one is discussed here, and three all is a different. Okay, this is a all is size is different and clearly learn here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. This is a nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is a perfect. Okay, 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 okay guys, 3 point is discussed here, and next lecture is 3 point is discussed here, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.